Hi Libra, welcome back. This is Lady of the Throne, where God dwells within me as me. Thank you all so very much for being here. If you are new to the channel, welcome, and I hope that you like and resonate with this. If you do, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button, subscribe, drop a comment down below, and guys, I do offer personal guidance, so if you are interested in personal guidance, go ahead and check that out. The link is down below in the description box, and before you do that, be sure to be honest if you want an honest response. Because with spirituality, spiritual people, we know and we see. All right, so let's go ahead and get into it. Before I do, I just want to say that we're going to look into two things today. We're going to be looking at how you feel, how your person feels, and how you view them, how they view you. I also channeled some song lyrics because it is back to school time, you guys. It's August, and back to school time is all about learning, education, new things, right? Information exchanges. That's what it's all about. So words, language, sound, music, all of that is going to be a major part, play a major role in the month of August. So you guys get to be students. Whether you're in college or not. You could be a working professional, but you're learning this month a lot of things. All right, so this is a very cool energy to be in because you need to be open-minded. I know that you guys can be quite analytical and such a Libra. You guys are sometimes there could be a disconnect between your analytical mind and your spiritual self, and a lot of Libras need introduction to spirituality, and I think that you guys are going to be introduced to a lot of things this month directly from source. All right, so the song for you guys is The Worst by Janae Aiko. Channel message: and don't take this personal, but you are the worst. You know what you've done to me, and although it hurts, I know I just can't keep running away. All right, so this is about love, you guys. You and your love partner, you and your romantic interest, someone that you want to be with. This person or you, it could be either one of you guys, but somebody in this connection is feeling like it's like a pointing a finger. It's like blaming someone, right? Like you are the worst. Don't take this personal, but you are the worst. It's so condescending. It sounds like something that a Libra would do, since you guys are highly manipulative, strategic, and condescending. However, it does sound like it could be someone saying these things to you. It could go either way, guys. But what I'm getting here is that someone's like, listen, don't take this personal, meaning that you're not really the worst person, but in this moment, during these 2 weeks of August, you're like the worst person right now. And that's what it's like. Someone could feel like you are, or you could feel like they are. Someone feels like you know what you've done to me. So this is about a recent action that was taken, or an action that was taken in the recent past. And someone's like, don't act silly. Don't play dumb. Don't be dumb. You know what you've done to me. So there's an awareness that the person on the receiving end is aware of what they've done to hurt the other person. Don't play dumb. Do not play dumb, because you are fully aware of what you have done. And so it's like, in this moment and in this time, what you have done, you wanted to hurt me, or there was an attempt to hurt. However, there's someone here saying, I just can't keep running away. Someone's like, I'm not going to run away. I'm not going to run away from the problem, right? Even though this hurts, I can't run. I can't keep running away from this. But at the same time, it's toxic, because I do love you. I do feel these emotions about you. My first thought is to just give up and let it go and move on and live my life and goodbye. But at the same time, I'm getting hurt, right? So there's an energy here about someone feeling like Listen, Libra, you are the worst. You could be the worst lover. You could be the worst at loving a particular person, or they could be the worst lover for you in this moment. That is not how you may truly feel, or how they may truly feel deep down inside. But one of you guys in the connection, this is how it feels now. Because there isn't a constant energy of wanting to walk away, 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 right? And I get a sense that it's like someone's trying to hold on for dear life to the last drop. Someone's trying to keep it together. Someone's trying to stay together. Someone's trying to be happy. Someone's trying to make it work. But it's like someone constantly feels this urge or this strong desire to walk away. Right? To walk away. So let's get more into this. So what I'm getting here is how you may feel about your person. The feeling that is coming up during this time is getting a little bit worse. Something is worsening in this connection. But what I feel is that there could be a delay. There could be some delays within the connection, and that could be getting worse. Like there's more and more delays. Or like maybe you were anticipating a new beginning with this person, but it's being delayed again. Right? Or maybe you guys said that you were going to start talking about things. Every time you bring it up, every time you bring up that you want to talk to them, it's another delay. Or vice versa. They could be bringing this up to you and there's a delay. But there is something missing. There is something missing in this connection. Or maybe you are missing someone. I get here that you want to find solace. You want to be at peace. But there's changes happening currently that are also happening around the connection, and these changes that are happening is making you kind of fall into like your own manipulation, if that makes sense. Because what I mean by this is, because things may not be going the way you want them to go, you could be manipulating the situation a little bit. Okay, now it can very well be that you could be manipulating a situation because that's a natural quality of a Libra, the number one manipulators of the zodiac. So you could be manipulating a situation to go your way because it's not, or because there's delays, or there's issues with communication, or just simply because you miss this person, or you miss an aspect of a connection. And so that could be why. And maybe you're doing this so that you can maybe try to get this person to talk to you, or try to get them to cooperate and things like that. Which to you may feel like it's harmless, but to this person, they may see it as a little bit of a manipulation to get them to speak up or to get what you want from them. That's how they see it. Even if that's not your intentions, that's how it's taken to a lot of people sometimes with you guys, right? So you could be, focused on, saying, I'm just going to listen more and speak less, say less. Maybe you have a decision to make right now. Maybe what's going on is that maybe you want a new beginning with someone, or you really want to be with someone, but maybe there's a hard decision that you have to make at this time. For some of you, the hard decision could be about whether or not you're going to walk away from someone, or you're going to stay with someone, or whether or not maybe you have two people you're considering being with. Maybe there's a decision about if you want to still hold on to something or completely let it go. So there is a big life-changing, life-altering decision at this time. Now, how does your person feel about you? This person feels pretty annoyed at this time, annoyed with the way things are turning out right now between the two of you. This person is, what I'm picking up is that they're sick and tired of a lot of things that are going on around the connection. It may not be that in the connection there's problems, but it could be around it. They may be dealing with issues surrounding family, friends, children, parents, anything. There is a lot of people around this connection that have a lot of things to say, that have a lot of influence too. Because if they did not have influence, they wouldn't be affecting your person. People may be against you. This person's family members may not like the Libra. To be honest with you, they may have a mother that does not like you. You may be finding that out. Or they may have an aunt that does not want them with you. You could be finding that out. They could have a friend or a friend group that is not like for you. You could be finding that out. There is something that is important to them that's affecting them when it comes to being with you, or when it comes to like having you around. People are strongly and severely affected by you two being together. People in this, and it's hard for this person because these are trusted folks. These are trusted individuals where it's like, sometimes it is true that the people close to you can see things that you can't see. Maybe these people can see that the Libra is not a good match for this person, right? That you're not a good match for them, right? But this person is ignoring it. They're fighting it, right? They feel like you may be the worst person for them to be with or to consider being with, to be honest with you. But they can't like keep running away because they do love you. They do love you, right? But there's people around this person that's like telling them, hey, I don't think this is good, right? Or maybe even if these people are totally wrong, they could be haters, because you have a thing where either they're telling them the truth, right? Or they're really, really hating, and they just are trying to block this person's blessings. But no matter if it's the truth or not the truth, Libra, at the end of the day, people are against you and pro your person. And what I mean is, it's the people on their side, right? Because I'm sure you guys, people that you love are for you and against them, you know? But it's like, yeah, people are trying to create conflict around this person's love for you. This is causing repetitive thoughts with this person. This person can't get certain things off of their mind. They've heard certain people that mean a lot to them say certain things about you that they really don't like. They're going through an emotional time right now. They're feeling overridden by a lot of things and a lot of people, or maybe a certain person. There's somebody whose opinions trump this person's opinions, right? So what I mean by that is, like, this could be someone who means the world to them, like a grandmother or a mom. Somebody strongly dislikes the Libra in this person's family, on their team, in their camp, whoever. Somebody strongly does not think that you are right for them. And it could be because they see things in you, right? But this person is hurting them. Like, this is hurting this person because I think that people see you as like the worst for this person. There's so many people that don't like you with this person, and you could have been with this person for so long. It could be 16 years, you guys. This could be a high school sweetheart. This could be a childhood love. Whoever it is, it doesn't matter how long. There is some people in this person's family or their friendship group or whatever that they strongly dislike you, or it could even be their child, right? These people have felt this way about you forever. And so this person is just like, why does this keep happening? You know, this constantly happens, and I constantly want to run away from all of this. I constantly want to let this connection go. But deep down inside, I really, really love the Libra. I just don't know what to do, right? Because you mean a lot to them, as well as their family or whoever these people are. But they're starting to get defeated now. They're getting defeated by all of this because it's taking a toll on them and is getting the best of them because they're torn. So right now, this person may be talking less about things with you and just thinking a lot about everything. They're thinking about so many things. You're getting a more serious side of this person. So how do you see them? You see this person as like needing to follow the signs that are there. Nothing happening is a coincidence right now within this connection. That all of the signs are letting this person know that things are supposed to go a totally different way in this connection. That you really are the one for them. That you really are their person that's going to be there and have their back. That's what you see. You can see clearly that God has been showing this person that you are supposed to stay in their life, be in their life, and that they're supposed to walk away from all of these people who object this connection. That's what you see. That nothing happening right now is a coincidence. Everything is being carefully orchestrated by God for you two to come together and for it to work. So this person, you know that they can see the clear signs. The clear signs. The messages are there. Everything is happening right now in divine timing. Everything is happening the way that it's supposed to happen. You clearly can see for them that being with you is right. It's just that this person is getting so frustrated because other people are coming through to oppose it. Your person and how they see you. This person is going to be quite sad during this time, you guys, because the way they see you wanting to walk away from them. They see you giving up on this. They see you like resisting this, and you are forcing yourself to resist them. And I think that, I don't know if this person knows that you can pick up on what's going on with them, and that's why you're resisting it. That's why you're trying to leave them, or trying to walk away, or trying to give up, because I don't think they know that you intuitively know what's going on with the people around them. They may not think that you know. They may think that you're walking away from them, or you have already walked away from them for another reason. But I feel like the whole time it's because you knew that people were holding them back or trying to keep them back from you, that other people were creating problems within this connection with you. So you guys are at a very crucial stage where this could lead to a divorce for a lot of people. Okay, a lot of people could be a divorce. It could even be that this person has a third party person that they had involved, and maybe this person is going through a major breakup or a divorce with a third party, that maybe people don't like the third party. Maybe that's what's going on. And maybe you feel like this person should see all the signs that you're the one, not the third party, that they need to come on over here to you. And the third party has been delaying the new beginning between the two of you. They see you walking away because they know that they've been playing around with the third party. So take it how it resonates according to what is really going on in your actual life. Nonetheless, somebody is breaking up with somebody, or wanting to divorce someone, or strongly thinking about leaving. Someone is like really trying to run away from a connection that is done.